Our next word is process. P-r-o-s-e-s. Process. This word, as a verb, means to deal with a document in an official way, or if a computer processes information. It performs a particular series of operations on the information, such as a set of calculations, or a series of actions, or prescribed procedure. This word, as a noun, means a series of actions that you take in order to achieve a result or a series of changes that happen naturally. It could also mean a series of operations or actions to bring about the results. Example 1. I've processed the data I collected and have gotten some interesting results. Example 2. There is a process for determining why your computer is malfunctioning. The next word is replace. R-E-P-L-A-C-E. Replace. This word is a verb, and it means to take the place of something, or to put something or someone in the place of something or someone else. Example 1. I've replaced the hard drive that was malfunctioning. Example 2. We have been looking for months and have found no one to replace our former administrator. Our next word is revolution. R-E-V-O-L-U-TION. Revolution. This word is a noun, and it means a change in the way a country is governed, usually to a different political system, and often using violence or war. It could also mean a sudden or important change in a situation. Example 1. We see a revolution in the computer field almost every day. Example 2. Cell phones have caused a revolution in communication. Our next word is sharp. 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 This word is an adjective, and it could mean happening suddenly, quickly and strongly, or it could mean clever. It could also mean abrupt or acute, or smart. It could also mean quick to notice things. Example 1. There was a sharp decline in calls to the help desk after we upgraded each employee's computer. Example 2. The new employee proved how sharp she was when she mastered the new program in a few days. Example 3. He kept a sharp lookout for any strangers.